In this video, you'll learn how to remove comments in Notion. This process will help you manage your workspace more effectively by eliminating unwanted feedback. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser and type in the address for Notion. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your account to access your workspace. Next, locate the option to add a new page. Look for the button labeled Add a Page on the sidebar. Clicking this will create a new blank page where you can start working. After that, you will need to click on the title area of the new page. This action allows you to enter a name for your page. Choose a relevant title that reflects the content you plan to add. Once you have typed in a title, click on a blank space on the page. This will ensure that your title is saved and you can proceed to add additional content without any interruptions. Now, type in the text you want to include on your page. This step is essential as it provides the context for the comments you may wish to remove later. Next, click on another blank space to finalize your text entry. This action confirms that you have finished adding your content. Following this, locate the 6 dots icon that appears next to the section of text. Clicking on these 6 dots will reveal additional options related to the content you just created. Then select the comment option from the menu that appears. This will allow you to view any comments that have been made on your text. Now, type in a comment in the designated area. This is a necessary step before you can remove any comments, as it creates a comment that you will later delete. After entering your comment, look for the 3 dots icon next to the comment you just created. Clicking on these 3 dots will open a menu with several options. Next, select delete from the options provided. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog to ensure you want to proceed with the deletion. Finally, confirm the deletion by clicking on delete again in the confirmation dialog. This will permanently remove the comment from your Notion page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.